Odoo is a comprehensive suite of open-source business applications designed to streamline various aspects of business management. Odoo offers a wide range of integrated modules that cover functions such as accounting, CRM, customer relationship management, sales, project management, inventory management, HR, human resources, manufacturing, e-commerce, and many more. Let's have a look at the key features of Odoo software. Accounts payable, bill of material analysis, expense tracking, financial reporting, billing and invoicing, bank reconciliation, inventory optimization. At Meru Accounting, we're dedicated to helping you utilize the full potential of Odoo, providing expert guidance and support every step of the way. Our team has extensive experience in implementing, customizing, and optimizing Odoo for various industries. Now, let's have a look at the advantages of Odoo software. Extensible architecture, available with no licensing costs. Customization, open source, comprehensive in nature. Updated technology, easy to integrate, highly secure. Here are some services we offer using Odoo software. Accounts payable management, comprehensive financial reporting, bank reconciliation services, bill of material BOM analysis, inventory optimization solutions, expense tracking and management, billing and invoicing services. Odoo CRM stands as a dynamic solution, empowering businesses to streamline sales, boost customer engagement, and drive up satisfaction levels. Partner with Meru Accounting to utilize the advanced features of Odoo, software tailored to your business needs.
Contact us now to make better business.